Hello everyone, we are going to solve this Harvard entrance exam question, that is x by 2 power 6 is equals to 3 power 6, and we have to find the value of x. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So x by 2 power 6 is equals to 3 power 6. I am going to multiply with power 1 by 6 both sides. So it will cancel out. So what is left? X by 2 is equals to 3. Now, if I'll multiply both sides by 2, it will cancel out. X is equals to 6. So let's verify this. 6 by 2 whole power 6 is equals to 3 power 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 power 6 is equals to 3 power 6. Hence, proof. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.